If you watch this week's Daily Visions of Excellence series, I've offered up many ideas on how to use cedarwood essential oil. Hi, Rosalie here. Welcome to my Friday follow-ups. Today is about wrapping up the week of sharing final thoughts about the oil of the week, which was cedarwood, and other insights. All of my videos are available for you to watch and rewatch and can be found online in several different locations. I get a lot of questions from people about how to use oils, why they're so effective physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, why quality is so important, and how to purchase them. There are three ways to use doTERRA's essential oils: aromatically, like my diffuser, topically, and internally. When ingesting essential oils, it allows the oil to be transported throughout the body. Make sure they are doTERRA certified pure therapeutic grade oils, though. Cedarwood oil encourages tranquility and can help you relax at the end of the day. Popularly used in the perfume and skincare products, cedarwood soothes the skin and calms the mind. It also is a natural bug repellent. So after a difficult day, you can diffuse it and create that relaxing environment. During your facial routine, you can add a drop or two to your facial toner or moisturizer, and doTERRA has some great ones, and that promotes clear, healthy looking skin. My favorite is the Virage system, Verage. However, we do have the essential skincare line also, and then a line that's more for the younger skin. You can place a drop on a cotton ball of the cedarwood, and you can put it in the closet to keep moths at bay. Before exercising, massage one or two drops into your chest to maintain vitality throughout your workout. And when a child wakes up scared in the night, you can apply it to the bottom of their feet to return to a peaceful feeling. doTERRA cedarwood is distilled from the wood of the hardy red cedar tree, and it evokes feelings of stability, determination, and vitality. And it has been linked in several different things I've researched to lower back concerns, which I had last Friday happen to me. So I have been using cedarwood oil throughout this week, and I got to tell you that today I am just doing great. Yesterday I was doing great. It took a few days though. Monday I started with cedarwood, and Monday, Tuesday I was using that oil on my lower back. And then come about Wednesday afternoon and yesterday for sure, and today, absolutely, I'm feeling great. My back is feeling so much better. So those components that we learn about using essential oils are really important. And I can look up some things for you if you're having some challenges. I've got an essential oil for that too. This last week, I've had several questions about where to get started with essential oils and how to have better health and happiness during the upcoming holiday season. I'm so excited that doTERRA added the best of the season kit, and it's the perfect way to help you finish your year strong and start 2021 off right. This kit includes products for the mind and mood management, a diffuser, and much more. Lots of different oils that are super helpful. Plus, it comes with a year of wholesale pricing to help you save from the regular retail prices. It's a perfect kit to get. Plus, I offer amazing team perks, and now is the best time to get started, and you can either message me or use the link in my post. Hooray! I just want to say hooray again. It's Friday night, and I'm ready for the weekend. How about you? Tomorrow is my Superstar Saturday. Any guesses on who I'll be highlighting tomorrow? Thank you so much for watching my video, and make sure you set up a time to chat with me about what team perks will be coming your way with the best of the season kit. I'm excited to be part of your wellness journey and look forward to you meeting our team of excellence. Until next time, have a lot of fun.